This is a very fundamental question, considering that the European Union faces a very serious issue considering soil degradation, biodiversity loss, climate change, and so on, and especially for isolated communities like Cyprus, which I'm coming from. ecoFABULAnds will try to build synergy between the 5 partners countries to exchange best practices and to help, let's say, in our case, our farmers to implement things that they will help them in the production of raw materials. Exciting. Well, circular economy principle is something that we work on that, and ecoFABULAnds come to build, especially on that, and to provide something above the, let's say, the well-known implemented practices. For example, we face in our case very serious issues considering the waste management sector, the biomass utilization and the production of fertilizer and so on. Farmers, for example, they are used to apply chemical fertilizer. So in our case, the most exciting thing is to convince all of those farmers to use natural amendments like compost or biochar to increase soil productivity. So this is something challenges in our case. Well, considering that most of the farmers in the entire Europe maybe are not so well trained, and especially in isolated communities, maybe they are not so informed about how intend to implement practices and so on, and considering their daily routines that they used to do on every day, the main challenge is to change their attitude and their behavior to accept something new. So this is, for me, from the strategic approach, it's something that will be very difficult, but at the same time will be challenged to convince them to change their daily practices and to implement, let's say, more eco-friendly agricultural practices that the project is dealing with.